Hello, good evening, and welcome to Functional Solution class and podcast. My name is Tal. I'm the Educational Director at the American Academy of Functional Health. And with us, we have Dr. Chill.
Hi, everybody. Welcome.
And today we have a special class, which we're going to focus on something a little bit different, which is the entire overview of how do you put together a complete care plan for your patients. And I wanted to ask Dr. Chill to join us because Dr. Chill is a functional and integrative medicine practitioner with over a decade of clinical experience. And he's also one of our lead coaches. And so it's a blessing to have you, Dr. Chill.
It's a pleasure to be here. And honestly, in the coaching calls, I am constantly getting asked this question: how do I put a full plan together? So I'm glad we're doing this topic tonight.
Absolutely. I know it's one of the leading questions that we're getting,
Mhm.
the top questions we're getting, right? It's how do I, once I learn the functional medicine framework, I know how to evaluate the root cause, the biomarkers on the specialty labs, and then from there, the protocols.
Mhm.
Now, how do I put it? In what order do I put it together? And how do I make sure that I'm not making a mistake and overwhelming my patient with the
Exactly, because like functional integrative health, it's so complex and there's so many root causes or contributing factors. A lot of times, practitioners make the mistake of throwing everything at their patients in like their follow-up visit when they're going through the comprehensive care plan, right? And it overwhelms our patients. And so laying it out in this fashion that we're about to show you is going to help decrease that overwhelm and really create longevity. This is just an example with diabetic neuropathy. And you can see it's that four-pronged approach. You want to first start with their chief concern, which is their nerve pain that they're coming with. You want to improve their symptoms right away while addressing what's happening underneath all of that. What are the causes of all of that, right? Their chronic inflammation, their nutrient deficiencies, and their gut imbalances.
yes, and that is the right way of thinking about it, where essentially you address their concern and then the three major root causes. And Dr. Chill's example shows you what are the specific how to use those protocols, which is amazing. Now, one thing that I wanted to add to Dr. Chill's comment about the patient that's coming in taking warfarin or any type of blood thinning medication, you can consider replacing curcumin with something like nutritional supplement like omega 3s fatty acids, which also modulate inflammation. Up to 2 grams is considered very safe, even for patients with those types of medication. And of course, we always recommend to monitor their INR or having the prescribing practitioner monitor their INR to make sure that everything is within normal range. And of course, you always want to have multiple different protocols or integrative strategies because you can just pull out, if you have a toolbox with all sorts of different tools, you can just pull the right tool for the appropriate patient, the right patient in the right time. Now, one of the things that I wanted to mention again for any of you who are interested in getting to build your entire specific your care plan for your niche, if it's weight loss, menopause, dementia, Alzheimer's, PCOS, women's health, whatever it is, join me on the 22nd. We are doing a special workshop, which is build your functional integrative care plan together. And we're going to use the protocol database. We're going to use the evidence-based AI. And so this is a unique system that we have developed over the last 15 years to help you put together the root causes for your specific functional medicine program and your niche. So if when you're coming in, if you want to focus on a specific condition, we'll talk about the marketing. We'll talk about how do you attract those clients. We'll talk about what is the script that you want to use to enroll them, take them in from transition them from just primary care to also functional medicine. how much should you charge for your visits, and of course, we're going to talk about the root causes and the integrative strategies, protocols. In the same, very similar example, what Dr. Chill showed you for diabetes neuropathy, we're going to do for our own, for your own niche. And my guarantee to you is that you are going to you're going to finish the workshop with everything ready. You don't have to look for anything. You don't have to search for protocols. Everything's going to be ready in your workbook that we're going to provide you. So with that being said, and as I mentioned, it's $229, but we have the Academy sponsors it down to $95, so you get a discounted rate. And for our community of functional medicine practitioners in our programs, you're going to get an email with a link to join us. We are sponsoring the ticket for you 100% as a benefit of being in our programs. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about is an example of a 120-day functional medicine care plan. How do you put it all together? Now we talked about a few protocols as an example. We talked about 3 different root causes. How do you put it together for your patients? So you can see here in phase 1, we are going to gather the information from the patient, start understanding the signs, symptoms, and with understanding the mechanism, we already know which labs we need to order. Now, our functional care AI is already going to help you do that. So when you're in our functional medicine programs, you have access to our AI system, which all you got to do is put in some information about the patient, and it produce for you the whole care plan. So it will show you which labs we would want to look into and all of that. So in phase 1, we're ordering the labs, gut health testing, maybe it's inflammatory markers that are specific, maybe it's nutritional deficiencies, maybe it's environmental chemicals like exposure to mold toxicity, maybe it's cellular dysfunction, right? So we're going to look at all these different there could be like 10 different things that we want to look into. But because we have a patient with diabetes neuropathy and their chief complaint is nerve pain, the first thing we're gonna put them on is alpha lipoic acid 600 milligrams. We want 1 supplement. We typically want 1 dietary strategy. So that could be something as simple as add extra virgin olive oil to their meals as a salad dressing for when they're cooking. Then we want 1 lifestyle strategies that could be walk 15 minutes daily after a large meal or after lunch. And this is all based on evidence, published clinical studies. So, and during the workshop, I'm actually going to talk more about the different protocols. So for example, there is this particular study with adults that are pre-diabetic, and they found that walking 30 minutes every day reduces the risk of developing diabetes by 50%. So 15 minutes walk, that's what we're going to start them with. And the goal is to reduce nerve discomfort, reduce inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, start getting them quick wins that they can implement into their lifestyle, and more importantly, turning small, healthy recommendations into ongoing lifestyle, long-term lifestyle strategy. In month number 2, we are going to apply the gut health, gut support and nutritional support. So month 2 is typically when you're starting to get the lab results. It typically takes 2 to 3 weeks to get the lab results. So in month 2, you already have more data. But just to give you examples, the strategies, you might add a specific type of fiber, maybe a multi-strain probiotic like the one that Dr. Chill recommended for patients with diabetes. I might, if I get a result and I see, oh, they're deficient in vitamin D or magnesium or B12, I might do a targeted supplementation, or I might recommend liquid multivitamin, which is, by the way, absorbed much better than taking vitamins in pills. And then the third thing, which is lifestyle, at this point, I might say, John, let's add on to the 15 minutes a day walk. Let's improve our hydration, or maybe 5 to 10 minutes mindfulness breathing or mindfulness meditation using a phone app. For example, Insight Timer is a free app that our patients can utilize. And then phase 3, which is month number 3, this is why we want to go a little bit deeper and maybe introduce if we need another supplement for diabetes, more specific for diabetes, for insulin sensitivity. We want to add a recommendation, maybe adding leafy greens or maybe a handful of nuts as a snack between meals. One lifestyle modification could be expanding our walking time from 15 minutes to 25 minutes or 30 minutes, right? So every time you see your patient, you want to have one supplement, one lifestyle, one dietary change. Do not overwhelm them. Just a simple one time, one thing for each one of their concerns. Okay. Want to keep it as simple as possible, very applicable. And that's leading us all together. When you put it all together, you get an amazing functional and integrative approach that would get you the best clinical outcome. And again, as I mentioned, we're gonna do a deep dive into your specific niche, and I'm gonna work with you to build your program next week on Monday, from Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday in the evening. Join me and make sure that if you want to offer a comprehensive approach to your patients and already start offering functional medicine consultations, we're going to do that together next week in this workshop. We hope that you enjoyed today's class and picked up a few insights about the structure of a functional care plan, what to include, what to make sure that you're not doing, which is overwhelming your patients with all the strategies at once. And of course, don't forget, as you're focused on the root causes, don't forget that the patient in front of you came in and what's most important for them, which is help them to feel better as fast as possible so it builds more trust in you and your systems and your approach. So I want to thank Dr. Chill for being here.
Thanks for having me. It's always a pleasure being here.
And we would love to see you all in our workshop next week. And there's new classes coming out. There's a new cohort that we just opened for the Functional Medicine Accelerator and Mastery. And again, we included all the tools that you need to be successful. So take care for now. Have a good evening, and we'll see you in the next class.